in the white judogi there. Lagvasuren Otgunbatar faces Marcus Nyman. It'll be Lagvasuren in the white judogi, Nyman in blue. My apologies to all the Mongolian speakers.
And we tried it. We met some Mongolians in the break.
We met him. We met Lagvasuren in the hotel, yeah.
And we asked. It's absolutely.
It's so difficult.
The Mongolian language is incredibly difficult, yes.
We listened to it about 6, 7, 8 times, yes. How to pronounce that one and that one. Got past us. In the end, we were getting close, and he became quite animated because we were getting close to the pronunciation.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's the Mongolian in white and the Swede in blue.
So with many names we make efforts, but with some of the Mongolians it's really hard.
That's a tricky one, yeah. Nyman, the taller of the two fighters, not by much, but a few centimeters, I suppose.
Yeah. They're
interested to see how Lagvasuren would cope in Nevaza with Nyman. I'm not sure what the Mongolians' Nevaza is like. Ooh, that was nice.
yes.
Low left side. It had the sleeves trapped up. And he brings Nyman down. Nyman almost had him there.
Yeah. He saw his chance.
Might be worth going over for a Yuko to get Lagvasuren involved on the ground. Another fighter with masses of tape on the fingers. Chance now with this more dominant grip.
Absolutely, his grip.
See what Nyman can come up with. Strong left arm, just blocking under the armpit of Nyman. And he goes for a sumigation now. Oh, but he turned away. There was something not right.
Exactly.
And he turned to defend on his front, because normally he would use that as the entry into Nevaza, but that was where he went over for the score. Johan Hellberg. Ooh, Tiger's gone over.
I think everybody was waiting for that moment.
He's disappeared out of the venue now. I know it's off camera, but you would have wondered what the chair was for. The Tiger going over. It was going to happen, wasn't it?
It looks so funny.
Back to the action. Single Yuko, the lead for Lagvasuren.
So clumsy. Imagine that happened on the big stairs yesterday or the first day.
I think that might be the last that we see of the Tiger.
Yeah.
Two Shidos picked up by Lagvasuren. He's still got the Yuko though. And that's the lead. Oh, big Uchimata. He's got him again for a Yuko.
Yeah.
He has thrown well today, the Mongolian. He has. Did they show a picture of Lars Hellberg with a tie on? I wonder if they
Maybe at the
did.
beginning.
Oh, Tadashiu Gatami.
Hard for somebody who's an
Ooh,
expert.
I know, yeah.
Seems that he,
Oh, Johan,
Look.
sorry, Johan Hellberg.
yeah, he holds his left shoulder, Marcus Nyman.
He must have hurt that on the way
Oh,
down.
And I think, or I suppose it happened, the one attack before where we said he just stopped suddenly. Oh, I hope it's not too bad.
He's got some movement in it.
Yeah.
Not a lot, but... He's having some trouble doing his belt up. He can't get the arm around there, so it's obviously the shoulder giving him some real trouble.
Yeah,
But, you know, there's some movement there.
look at the sweat.
Yeah,
Incredible.
yeah. Lagvasuren Otgonbata takes the second of the bronze medals in the under 90 kilo category.
It's a nice replace. Also here he landed on the left shoulder. I think he wanted to go for the counter.
Yeah,
Couldn't turn
trying
him.
to take him back.
Yeah, and so he didn't land on the side, really landed on the left shoulder.
Yeah, he had to tap out right away.
Yeah. Oh, and now look at the crowd. The whole crowd
Is
is
on their feet.
on their feet. Yeah.